Hello, friends. I am your Mansi, your stock market friend and guide. Today's podcast is Mansi's winning trading strategy. Ride the waves to wealth. Hello, my dear listeners. How are you all? I'm super excited today because today I'm going to share my own trading system which changed my life. This system is so simple yet powerful that if you follow it, you can make money for a lifetime. I'm a stock market expert and I've studied human psychology too. I've seen all kinds of market cycles bull, bear, sideways. I've read top books like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill, and Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. From these, I learned that the market is not just numbers, it's a game of emotions. Today, I will explain my system step by step. On every point, I'll share a story, give examples from the Indian market, because stories connect us, awaken emotions. You are novices, so don't worry. I'll explain in a simple way. And yes, I am loving and caring, so if you make a mistake somewhere, I'll guide you. Let's start.
First step, there must be a big move first, meaning the stock should have a big upward movement. For this, I use weekly gainers. Friends, remember the 2020 COVID time? When the market crashed but then recovered? I saw Reliance Industries. In March 2020, it fell, but in June, a big move came. The share went up more than 50% on a weekly basis. I thought, this is the big move. My personal story? I traded for the first time then. My heart was pounding, but I waited. Story of others, Tata Motors in 2021, big move from electric vehicle boom, top in weekly gainers list. If you miss the big move, don't trade. Why? Because psychology says always trade with the trend, not against. It boosts confidence. Elaborate. Big move means at least 10 to 20% up weekly. Check from financial news or screeners. Second step. There should be a pullback to the trend line or key moving average. For short term, 9 EMA. Medium, 20 SMA or EMA. Slightly longer medium, 50 SMA. Long term, 200 SMA. Let's hear a story. My personal? In 2022, Infosys had a big move from IT boom, but then pulled back to 20 SMA. I saw share fell from 1800 to 1500, but touched 20 SMA and got support. There was fear in my heart, but I used psychology, control fear. I entered and got 20% profit. Other story, HDFC Bank in 2019, pulled back to 50 SMA from Brexit news. Traders thought end, but it was support. In Indian market, pullback is normal. Market takes a breath. Explain step by step. Open chart, add moving averages, if pullback on 9 EMA, short-term trade. Psychology, in pullback, people sell, but smart traders buy. Additional point, if trend line breaks, avoid. I challenge the original idea, because safety first. Third step, a bullish candle should form. I prefer close above previous candle. Then wait 5 minutes. If it does not close inside the previous candle, enter the trade. Wow, this is my favorite part. Story, in 2023, Adani Enterprises crashed from Hindenburg report, but in recovery, big move, pull back to 200 SMA, and then bullish engulfing candle formed. I waited 5 minutes, close above happened, entered 30% return. My emotion? I cried with joy because it was for my family. Other story, Reliance in 2024, bullish candle from oil price rise. Such candles signal strength in Indian market. Step by step, look at candlestick chart. Check green candle that covers previous. 5-minute rule gives confirmation. Psychology, avoid impulsive trading. Keep patience. Add, if volume high, better. Now, this technique alone is sufficient for lifetime money making, but risk management is essential.
My stop loss is always 1.5 ATR away from entry. What is ATR? Average True Range, measures stocks volatility. Story: 2021 in ICICI Bank trade, ATR 50. Entry 700, SL 700 minus 1.5 into 50 equal to 625. Market fell, SL hit, but I was safe. Emotion: sad but proud that protected capital. Other: Bajaj Finance 2020, saved from big loss with ATR. Step: calculate ATR 14 period, multiply 1.5. Risk not more than 2% of capital on that trade. Position size according to risk. Story: in my beginning, 1 lakh capital, 2% equal to 2000 risk. If SL 10 rupees away, 200 shares. Did in HDFC, profit came. Psychology: protects from greed. Other: 2022 crash, many traders ruined because high risk. At any time, not more than 5 open positions. Max loss 10% if all SL hit, then 1 month break. Story: 2018 my bad time, 4 trades loss but avoided 5th. Took break, read, came back strong. Emotion: felt lonely but caring mentor helped. Other: IL and FS crash, many did 10 plus trades, lost all. Psychology: overtrading destroys. Now additional points I am adding because necessary for novices. First, psychology: control fear and greed. Keep journal of every trade. Story: my 2023 greed big trade, loss, but learned from journal. Second, diversification. Choose different sectors. Example: IT, bank, FMCG mix. Third, exit strategy. Use trailing SL to lock profit. Story: Tata Steel 2021, trailing got 50% profit. Fourth, back testing. Test your system on historical data. Fifth, avoid news. Focus on price action only. Practically applicable ideas: start paper trading today. Open demo account. Review every weekend. Do yoga for mental peace. Join community for sharing. Friends, this system is my life. I'm excited sharing with you. Now, please, if you liked, like, share and subscribe the channel. I love you all. Meet in next episode. Bye.